Hey guys, it's your girl TBJ and I'm doing a quick unboxing for an order that I just got from TKB Trading. It just came, literally just got off the truck, and here's the box. I can't show you the top of the box because it has my address on it. But yeah, it just came in the mail. FedEx just dropped it off. So I'm ready to open that and show y'all what's inside. All right, here you go. Yay! My tubes are here. My lip gloss tubes are here. I ordered 102 lip gloss tubes and they finally got here. They're the gold cap ones, so I'm excited. If you hear a whole bunch of moving around, it's my dogs in the background. They like to be nosy. And then the next thing I ordered were some pigments, and that's what I got. And I got another order coming from another company. Well, two other companies that I ordered from. I ordered a bunch of some more tubes. So I got about 300 tubes total once the second set of tubes gets here. And they all look alike, thank goodness. I found another vendor along with TKB Trading. So I have two. I haven't opened up these, but I'm going to show you what they look like on the side. So that's what they look like. They just got the gold top. And it's a clear tube itself. So I'm real excited. Let me open up this to show you some of the pigments that I got from TKB. Okay. I hadn't been doing a whole lot of gloss making because I was waiting on my tubes. So now that the bulk of them are here, I'm excited. So I can go ahead and start making some glosses. But here are some of the pigments. I got the black oxide pigment, which I'm not going to make a black lipstick right now, but I want to mix that. And then I got the brown oxide pigment. And then I got the unicorn sample, which I got another one of these. And then I got the big sample of Sparkle Rose. And then I got a big thing of titanium dioxide. And it's so funny because I thought I ordered another thing of unicorn. And I think I got one already of unicorn, which I'm kind of glad I ordered another one. But I thought I ordered Pixie instead of unicorn, but it's okay. I can make it work because I like unicorn too. But I was hoping I ordered Pixie instead, but I didn't. But I'm still excited. So this is my order, which is it's a small order, but it works. And I've been waiting for my Sparkle Rose to get here, so I'm excited. So now I can make my Coming Up Roses lip gloss. So that's my order from TKB, and then I got two orders. One is from Nature's Garden, and another one is from Mad Micah's, which I'm excited. And I found out another pigment company that I'm going to try to order from a little bit later on. But I wanted to test these out. And I like Mad Micah's. I like TKB. So when I try this other company, I can't remember the name of it, but I have it saved somewhere. So, but this is my small little order from TKB. I'm going to go ahead and try to do some glosses either tonight or tomorrow. And then post up some pictures to the website. You know our Black Friday sale is coming. We got a pre-Black Friday sale going on right now on the site. So you go ahead, and I threw in another sale because we're just doing the lashes, but I threw in something else. So you might want to go over there and check it out. It's really good. So this is everything. So don't forget to check out the rest of the videos on the channel and make sure you subscribe. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.